Right, welcome everyone. So I'll very quickly introduce what is it that Pure and Veeam together will do. Some will call it Veeam and Pure, but I'm taking the liberties to use my own branding, recalling the most famous tour of Veeam, Veeam on Pure. I wasn't sued yet, so I'm keeping using it that way. So I'm the brand new appointed solution partner sales manager for EMEA. And my name is Carlo Grisolia. Very quickly, I'll put you through who we are and what is it that we intend for a data protection which will be modern, getting very deeply into the backup since we're here at Veeam, and I'll introduce the safe mode, why we are here at the Veeam booth, why we are guests, and why we're all here at Cisco Live, basically. So why Pure really disrupted the storage industry, it was by really working and putting, so for companies that they put data at the center of their business strategy. So we really disrupted the technology via providing with an evergreen engineering model, which doesn't require rebuys, it doesn't require any upgrades with any downtime involved. How do we deliver the services is how our customers want them. So we do it on-prem, wherever you like, through your preferred managed service providers or GSIs. Everyone will work with us. We are super cloud agnostic from an engineering and from a financial point of view. So if your workloads will work better with some services from one cloud provider rather than another, you can move your workloads without re-engineering the application. So very cloud agnostic in this case. And Evergreen One, it's one of the, so it englobes the offer that can also be given as a service. So either CapEx, fully OpEx, or flexible. So we really commit towards any financial decision that will lead. Lately, we're having a lot of conversations about data protection with our customers as well, not only from a storage perspective. So these are the 5 pillars on top of which our data protection based upon. Like sustainable, we always were. So our TCOs were always best in class if compared with our competition. Scalable, up and down. So we had a number of customers that really appreciated the fact that they can rethink their investments on the go. Fast, security and simplicity are overall our 3 main layers. We are happy to put you in touch with anyone who will be your counterparts in your territories. So we have a local presence global. So you're more than happy to speak with your counterparts that you like perhaps in terms of data protection, you'll be speaking with administration, storage admins that will tell you about business continuity and how much gain they had out of the adoption of Pure Storage. Security guys will tell you about ransomware remediation. So this is what we help them into it. And obviously, because we're here at Veeam, we will focus on backup very quickly. This is the ugly slide of it, and this is why we will focus a little bit more upon that. And we will be really starting from what is a backup person interested upon. So snapshots, rapid restore, data archive, data reuse, and disaster recovery. So our technology is based on QLC drives. So we're not definitely or necessarily storage experts, but QLC is the latest development in flash storage. So it's quad-led cell drives, so we really guaranteed 4 bits per drive, which is really makes a difference in terms of costs. Our Purity operation system, working with QLC together, really give the best data reduction in place, rather than obviously enhancing also some Veeam requirements, which is self-contained backup files and scale-out backup repositories. We know that backup flatters, this is what we say, but what really matters is restore. So we're really pointing upon restore, and QLC technology gives us the possibility to have the FlashArray-C as a repository, but it's not at all a product then it's built for data ingestion. So whenever you will need those applications to be back online, you'll have it immediately with our services at all. Enhances Veeam capability. So we know that Veeam pioneered the industry with instant recovery, multi-VM recovery, soon to be released NAS recovery or database recovery with Oracle and SQL Server. So I hope I'm not spoiling on anything. And data labs, obviously, that require some use cases that a normal backup-based storage will not be able to perform upon. So, for example, some requirements for data labs will be test and develop, and that mirrors production, recoverability verification, and malware protection. Last but not least, I wanted to introduce safe mode, which is what we do autonomously, but it's really an autonomous snapshot policy creation, if you like, on top of which the FlashArray or FlashBlade volumes that host your backup, your Veeam backups, are taken care of. So we define who's gonna be having the privileges to eventually modify or delete backup volumes, as well as controlling that these policies will be respected. So we have our product, our support, which is proactive normally, that takes care that the policy gets respected. Very quickly, you can use it with FlashArray, and you can have up to 30 days of data eradication and up to 8.7 terabytes per hour of data restore, which is kind of very unique in the business. Same thing with the FlashBlade, so you can go up to 400 days and an immediate file system snapshots, or up to 270 terabytes per hour. So we really make a difference into data restore and getting back in online after a disaster. This is just to summarize what is it that we do together with Veeam, and you will see that also there is some Cisco validated design. So we call it CVDs, which are covering up what we call an inclusive infrastructure that will have a 3 layers, a 3 tiers, all-inclusive infrastructure that will have Cisco UCS as a storage and MDS as a Cisco. So you can see it over there. And that will be all. So normally I will finish with a motto that very successful is pure for life, but now just for you there is a new creation, and we call it Veeam and Pure forever. Thank you very much for listening.